What's up, guys? So welcome to episode 2 of farming. So my dad is a fireman, and so he's at a fire call right now, and it's almost 6 o'clock. So I gotta do chores, which is normally what I have to do anyway. But this time it's gonna be filming, so I'm gonna be filming, so it might take a little bit longer. What we'll do first is over there. You can see the cows on the hill over there. And we're going to be moving them into the next field right beside them. And we're going to be taking the four-wheeler over there, moving them, filling up their water. And then it's quite simple, but I'll show you all the steps that it takes to move them. Right. So there's the four-wheeler we're going to be driving. But this is the tractor. Big tractor. Big green tractor. And it is very fun to operate, and also terrifying at the exact same time. So we've got this big door here, and we're gonna have to open that. So it's not heavy. You can one person can do it, probably even my 5-year-old brother. You just lift it up like this, and it's open. And now we can go move cows. Spigot, and there is a valve right there. Well, actually there's a quarter turn valve, so we'll turn that quarter turn valve, and it runs all the way down there to the cows, like 3,000 feet. And so it feeds off the house, so we'll just turn that on. You can hear it. Oh, it's gotten tough for some reason. So now that's on. Now we can go move the cows. Just driving down through this little pathway we have down to the cows. And I like to look across here and just see how beautiful it is. I love just looking out across here into the pond, listen to the birds. It's just absolutely beautiful out here. We'll come over here to this gate. It's hard to unlock it with one hand. I'm sorry, guys, it's super hard. And there goes the four-wheeler, so we're gonna have to re-crank that back up. So it's just a simple little. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be difficult. It's gonna be really difficult because the cows are right there. I'm holding this gate, and I've got to drive the four-wheeler through. And so, I don't want them cows to get out, so I'm just not gonna film this part because it's gonna be kind of difficult, and I don't want to have to wrangle cows back in for another hour. I got it through somehow, and there's all the cows right there. Move out the way, cows. Move out the way. The way. Got to get through here, cows. Come on, little bull. Little bull calf. I know you're a bull, but you gotta move. Move out the way, cow. All up in the way, cows. We're gonna be moving them over to that pasture over there. You can see the hay bale. Sorry if it's shaking. There's a lot of bumps. And so now we can go turn off the fence. Alright, so we use electric wiring, just one strand of wire. There's our little electric gate. Right here is where we turn off the fence. So just take off one off the car battery, and now it's off. So you're good to move them now. Okay, so we've got the water over here. It's a little float valve, so when the water gets high enough, it just shuts off like that. So pretty simple. So that just fills up, and so now we can move the cows right here. So first thing what you'll do is you'll come up to the electric fence. Go under it. Oh. The cross wire that goes over here, it electrifies this, it came off. That's not good. So first we'll take off this fence off of the post, and then we'll take this one off. Oh, it's still stuck. Alright. Woo! Come on, cows. Sorry, this is wobbly. I'm trying to hold the camera while holding this, while yelling at the same time. Come on, cows. Come on. Come on through. Woo, woo, woo. Come on, last 3 cows. Come on. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. All right, mama cow. You're a pretty cow. All right, so now they'll go over there and we'll go unroll it for them. All right, so we just unrolled the hay bale. right there. I ain't really eaten it because they found grass and they like grass more. And so I unrolled this. It's you know, it was kind of heavy. So on the front of the four-wheeler, it has this big old brush guard and everything right there. So what I just did is I just took the four-wheeler and just pushed it down the hill. And right here, I accidentally almost drove over it. And I almost got stuck. Like, I had the hay bale in here. It was stuck under there. And I was just like, all right, I gotta back up. It's four-wheeler drive, four-wheeler. So that's why you always buy a four-wheeler drive, four-wheel drive four-wheeler. I can't say it. I said four-wheeler drive four-wheeler. Anyway, so, excuse me. We've got the cows over here. They're happy, and so now we can go get the fence back hooked up. Alright, so we got the fence back hooked up right there with the cross fence on this side so they can get to the water. Water's about halfway full, so we'll come turn it off in about 15 minutes. Now we're going to go back down there and we're going to turn back on the fence. Back over here, and we can just grab the thing, put it on there. You hear it clicking, and you know it's ready. Now we're gonna go back to the barn and we're gonna check on the broilers and check eggs. So we just got our egg basket and now we're gonna go check chickens. All right, so we're back from the chickens over there and we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 eggs, just like yesterday. Seems like a lot, but we used to be getting 30 a day, so that's actually below average. It's crazy. We do just like we did before. We'll just take our fence charger thing. All right, this is getting hard to do. I gotta turn off this camera for a minute. Yeah, it's back on. It's just really hard to do with one hand because you gotta squeeze it pretty hard. But yeah, those are our 2 Americanas right there. They lay the blue eggs. And I think we have some in the basket. Yep, there's our 2 blue eggs. That's a pretty egg. That's a pretty egg too. Let's see if we can find the brownest egg. That one looks pretty brown. Yeah, that's a pretty egg. Look at that. Glistening in the sun. On a nice, what time is it? Oh, my watch is dead. Great. So now we'll drive back to the shed and we'll put these eggs up. So now we're back at the shed and we'll put all of these 18 eggs in these 2 cartons. Boom, all the eggs in there, and now we can put them in the fridge. So now we're gonna go down to the brooder down there and we're gonna check on the baby chicks. Now, let's go check in here on their water. Oh, they got plenty of water left. Look how cute they are. Come here. Oh, come here, chick. Oh! Well, I'll try to get one on the other side. So let's put this down. Oh, goodness. It's heavy. Alright. Their feed is still full. Come here. Okay, what? They don't like me. I do not know why. Let me try to get in here and get one. Oh, goodness. Come here, chick. We use the red lights to keep them warm. But there they are in there. They're so cute. They won't be cute for long because then they'll get white feathers and they look like little turkeys and they're ugly. I think we're going to be down here for a while, so we can just put that light off and we can say goodnight to the barn. So here's an older batch of chickens in here. Good grief, it jumped up quick. So we turned off the lights because it's like 83 out here and I'm sweating, they're probably sweating, and plus they have feathers, so let's check on their water. Water's doing good. Feed is almost empty, so we need to go fill that up. So what we'll do, I'll show you, we'll come out here to this blue barrel, lid off, and this bag right here. Try to reach it. Look at it. Oh, there's not much left in there. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Alright, so I'll try to get as many scoops as I can. We need to get another bag. There's a little bit more in there, but not much. So tomorrow morning we'll probably have to get another bag. Mash this back so the dog over there can't get in here and have a mass murdery of all the chickens. Come on, go in there. Oh my goodness. There, that's locked. Now you've seen how we do chores, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and consider subscribing. If you don't want to, it's fine. But if you do and you want to unsubscribe, it's completely free, and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. So please consider subscribing and also liking the video. If you want to share my channel with other people, that is completely fine with me. And also go check out our website. It's triplejfarm.net, no caps. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.